Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the PIR sensor. That one is the PIR motion sensor. Now let's unbox it. See, this one is the PIR motion sensor. The sensor can sense the objects that will come forward of this module. I will show the sensor here. See, this one is the motion sensor. It has 3 pins. That one is one for VCC pin and another for output pin and another pin for ground pin. And these two potentiometers are to change the sensitivity and the time of this module. We can change the sensitivity up to 3 meters to 7 meters, and we can set the time of 3 seconds to 5 minutes. Now I will close this here. We can do many projects using this module, like home automation project, that we can fix this module in the door of the any room or any place. If a person comes, the time the relay the light will turns on, and we set the timings to 25 seconds. After 25 seconds, the light will turn off automatically. And I will use an 5 volts single channel relay with this module to make the home automation project. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.